Hi guys, so this is a video on how you can connect your WordPress sites inside Autoblogging now. This is a new update in which it changes how you integrate your WordPress site. As you can see here, you can go to connected WordPress sites. I'll simply delete this one. All you need to do is install these two plugins like JSON Basic Authentication and Autoblogging.ai Importer. When you click on it, it will automatically download. You can download the plugins here and then go into your WordPress site. Like this is mine. Add new plugin, simply upload it and activate plugin. And again upload a new plugin, which is the second one, WordPress plugin, and install it now, activate. So this is the first plugin, JSON Basic Authentication and Autoblocking.ai Importer. So both of these plugins are necessary. And once you have installed these plugins, disable any security plugin that you have. Like for example, people use Wordfence or other plugins, so you can disable that. And then we can connect our site here. So what you need to do is pick up the homepage URL from your site. For example, if you go here, simply pick this URL from the top, add your username and password. Make sure the username that you're using is for the admin or editor account so that it doesn't throw errors when we are pushing content, and then connect your site. WordPress site connected successfully, easy. And now is you can auto post to WordPress. When you click on auto post to WordPress here, you have an option to connect new WordPress site. And here you can simply select the new site that you have just connected. And it will pull all the categories you have on your site, and then you can post the new articles inside in specific categories. Now, if your list of categories have changed, for example, you just created a new category on your site and you want to post there. So what you can do is go to the connected sites again and click on this refresh button. So what it will do is it will fetch all the details again from your site, and then it will show that category in the list here. So just refresh this page. All this information will be stored, and just select your site, latest category, and that's it. And you can also add to draft for publish. And if you want to schedule the articles, you can select publish and use publish to schedule plugin. Here is the installation guide. If you want drip feeding, set up the quantity of daily articles and just publish the articles. It will automatically be scheduled. For single articles, if you want to publish them to WordPress, what you can do is, suppose if this is an article like top 5 speakers who deliver unforgettable high impact talks. The top one is Jill Goldie, right? So we have added an option here, post to WordPress. Now it will only show up if you have a site connected. So you can select verifytask.com and latest and post it as draft. And then you can push it to WordPress, successfully post it to WordPress. So go to post and top 5 speakers who deliver unforgettable talks. Here it is. Probably in the near future, you might see some more options because we'll be integrating Shopify and other platforms. So there will be different options or settings here, but overall, this is how it works. You simply need to install two plugins and then disable any security plugins like WordFence and connect your WordPress here. And you can then go in and generate articles in bulk or push single articles that have been generated to your WordPress site. Now, this also works in Godlike or Amazon articles as well. So, for example, this is a completed one. So you can push a godlike article which you have generated using autoblogging, and then go to latest, publish. Successfully posted. Let's go to publish once. Replace human writers with AI article writing using autoblogging.ai. As you can see, it is here. So yeah, guys, this is how it works. And let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if it's not working for your site. Please reach out to us and we'll help you out. So see you in the next video.